up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora. It's a new year. We've got a new intro, and now I've got a new engine going into the Del Sol. I am so excited. This thing's been down long enough, and we're gonna go ahead and get everything running at least. It's not the motor that I really want to end up with, but I just want to go ahead and get it running, and we had this in our storage. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got a lot of work to do today.
There she blows. What is it? What is it? Oh, no. Oh. It's a new car.
Yep, this is what we're putting in the Del Sol. So I know it looks like a downgrade, but we're basically just trying to get it running. Alrighty, y'all. We've got the B18 moved out here. We just changed out the coolant lines and got some of the wiring harness hooked up. But this thing is just about ready to drop in the car. We're gonna go ahead and move the Integra and bring the Del Sol up front. That way we can get started on installing the motor. Check it out, guys. We just got the motor put in the car, and we're just tightening up the mounts.
Especially non-VTEC.
Yeah.
What a sad day for you.
Very sad day.
Yeah,
But like we said, this isn't the permanent solution. This is only so I can get my car running again.
No, this is permanent.
No, this is not permanent.
Now this is just till we get you a single cam to put in there.
Whatever.
Put you a single non-VTEC 8 valve.
Yep, someone's scared I'm gonna beat him. So he's making me slow.
I mean, you almost did.
I know. It's close.
You're only, what, 4/10 off on your 8th mile time?
Yeah.
And I ran like a second faster in the quarter.
Yup.
Freshen up the grounding surfaces. Gotta have a nice, fresh ground.
Definitely. But yeah, guys, this is really exciting. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and finally put on the coilovers.
Only a year later.
A year later.
Got them for Christmas last year.
Check it out, y'all. We got our first little light snow. We're getting really close on having the engine bay situated. Getting everything put onto the motor. We went ahead and threw on the max peating rods, coilovers. They look really good. They lowered the car just a little bit. Makes it look really clean. But yeah, we should be getting this thing started up pretty soon. And I can't wait. Go check out the snow. No, I'm sure it's cold on your little feet. All right, let's get back to work. We've got the truck hooked up to the Del Sol, charging up the battery for a few minutes. You can see it's 27 degrees. Super cold out here. And we've been working on this for a few hours. So we are ready to go inside and warm up. But first, we got to see if this thing's going to start. I am so excited. Not only is it the first start, but it's an E85 start. Wish us luck.
So you probably need to crank it, that way if I need to work the throttle, I can get to work the throttle.
Okay. Yeah, stuff lit up. Yes! Dang, this thing is idling really high. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna be back on the road in no time. Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know why it was idling so high. I didn't do anything.
I don't know. Maybe I just need to warm up for a few minutes. Man, y'all, I am so excited to get back in this thing. It's just so cold tonight. I doubt I'm gonna go tonight.
I like your turbo that blew up, still spinning. No, you're not going tonight because you don't have a throttle cable.
That too. Alrighty, y'all. We went ahead and got the throttle cable hooked up. And we are getting ready to go send it. Just go drive it around, test it out a little bit. It's going on its first cruise with the new motor. We put in a B18B, non-VTEC, unfortunately, but she's still gonna rip. We're gonna have fun. This is so awesome, guys. I'm so happy that we're cruising this thing around again. Just doing a couple laps on 39th Street. Testing out the water a little bit with the new engine. But it's running really smoothly and sounds good. Dave!
Yeah, let's go fill it up. Oh, I didn't drink my wallet. That sounds about right.
Alrighty, y'all. I've got the best husband ever, and he filled me up with gas. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up if you did. Thank you guys so much for being part of our YouTube family. We really enjoyed the channel, and we're hoping to grow a lot more this year. So please share the content if you enjoy it. And thank you all so much for being part of the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.